Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're up with another amazingly interesting video which is about adding and removing extensions through the web browser. If you're working continuously through the browser and if you need some tools in hand, this is the right video for you. So without wasting any minute, let's get into the video. You just have to start with going to your Google web browser. As you can see, this is the Google web browser page. The extensions are all stored, managed and handled at this bar. These are the extensions that have already been added and pinned, and this is the icon that will manage all the extensions. Just tap on it and you can see all the extensions that are already involved. This icon is for the pinning tool. As you click on this, the extensions are pinned automatically on the taskbar. So now let's take an example. We'll just type VPN for browser, enter, and we'll just click on the link, the first link or whatever, if you have a specific choice to add the browser for your device. Now we'll add on click to Chrome, add to Chrome, and as you see this box, you just have to tap on add extension. This extension will be automatically added, as you can see. Now what you have to do is just go to this icon, and to pin it you just have to click on this. As you click on this, you can see it'll be automatically, you can see it in the taskbar. In case you feel like deleting this specific extension or any other extension as per your wish, you can just tap on these three dots. After that, just click on remove from Chrome, and when you see this, just click on remove. That's it. Now they'll ask you some reasons, some places, some questions. If you have the time to give the feedback, you're welcome. If you don't have the time, you can just leave it aside. And the result is the extension has already been deleted from the Chrome. Thank you for being with us till the end and watching the video. In case you liked the video or if the video helped you, do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon below so that you get notified every time.